the members of the committee.
Akiaria hindi ya giikaro na thothaite ya gutetera huthiria thitima guku bururi-ini wa matinga ugite hari na bata wa guthuthuria ngirimiti iria kambuni ya Kenya Power ikiranire na andu kiumbe niguo kugitira Kenya.
We also feel like the country has been taken hostage by a few IPPs. We know the issue of accountability, the issue of transparency has also come into play. We are also alive to the fact that the last regime did a lot to mismanage the energy sector by making a lot of roadside declarations without looking at the strategic consequences of the decisions they made. Therefore, this committee resolved to have an inquiry moving forward.
Wa matinga niongereire kuga hari na bata wa thirikari gutigirira thogora wa thitima ni wacoka thi niguo kuhotithia igithie kwambiriria iganda guku bururi-ini.
This committee is also dedicated to address with the executive the issue of taxation of VAT because we are alive to the fact that 52% of the bills that we pay to the Kenya Power goes to the taxation and levies.
Hado-ini hake seneta wa Siaya na uria ni mumemba wa kamiti yo bururi-ini augite utonga wa bururi uri ugwati-ini wa kuhaguka agikorwo thirikari ndigwika mituki kuguithia ngarama ya thitima.
High cost of electricity is inhibiting investments in the country. People don't want to come and invest in Kenya. They go and invest in Egypt where electricity is cheap. Then they produce and then they come back and sell to our country.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa thothaite ya huthiria thitima guku bururi-ini Engineer Isaac Dereva, Kenya ni namba 4 thiini wa gitaro kia Africa hari mabururi maria marihagia thitima na thogora wa iguru muno.
If you are going to tax the products that have been manufactured using electricity, why should you tax electricity first? Maybe we can decide to say, if you are a manufacturer, maybe we can exempt you VAT because we know you are going to pay VAT on the product.
Dereva niongereire kuga hari na bata wa gutafania mogaruruku mirihiria-ini ya thitima kuona mamwe ma maundu maria macungirire thitima kugia goro ni maundu mangithemwo ta kurihia na shiringi handu ha dora.
The fuel cost component, it's not based on the fuel. It is based on a formula that was decided during procurement. Like you say, this thing is supposed to consume 0.21 kgs per kilowatt hour. Now, if you have looked at that generation plant to be efficient, yet you have set a rate that every kilowatt hour they generate, you'll be paying them this amount of fuel. I mean, you need to tell them, I need to know the actual amount of fuel.
Thothaite yo niyendekithitie kambuni cia Kenya Power na Kengen kuigithia makiria thitima-ini cia geothermal iria ngarama yacio ni nini na itirihutagio ni ucenjia wa riera ta unyihu wa mai na niguo kunina ngarama ya utheri wa maguta ma dithuru guthondeka thitima riria kwaga mbura.
We have a lot of capacity for geothermal, which is supposed to be 10,000 megawatts. We have only exploited 900. Why are we quick into bringing nuclear here? And yet we have not exhausted geothermal, which is not dependent on water, on rain, on sunshine, on darkness, on wind. We have a very strong natural resource on that side. So you need to be informed.
Oho gikundi giki ni kiendekithitie uthuthuria utafanio kuona kuria thitima ciuragira kuona mweri Kenya Power irutaga hakuhi unit bilioni 1 no yendagia unit milioni 750 kuri muingi. Riendekithia riri riukitio riri kambuni ya Kenya Power ikoretwe kirogota mawoni ma muingi iri na itanya ria kwambatiria marihi ma thitima kwambiriria tariki 1 mweri ukite.
Thank you again. Thank you very much.
Hado-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Njoroge waki-ini.